Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August the 6th, 2019, and we're going to be taking the potatoes out of the hollow garden today. So we have to take the fence down and get our soaker hoses moved out so we can start harvesting the potatoes. So we'll be back. Okay, so we started pulling the old stalks out before we take the shovel plow through. And you can see just some of the potatoes so far that are coming out with the stalks. So we're going to start picking these up here, and we'll be back. Okay, so we left this row out to dry for a little bit. Now we're going to come back in and we're going to go over further because this is just the outskirts of that row. You can see here these potatoes. So we're going to pick these up and we're going to put them in a bucket just for now, and then we're going to be laying them and putting them in boxes, and then we're going to sort them out to dry, which I will show you that. So you can see here they're still under the ground there.
It's so tight against this fence, can't get to it.
But our fence is going to hinder us. And then you can see what we already did get out of this row, right in here. So we're going to keep harvesting more potatoes. I will come back then, and I'll talk to you and show you more. So we'll be back.
This post to this post. This here got cut in half.
Okay, so we jumped up another row because we jumped up 3 rows so that the other potatoes could continue drying. And you can see here, now you do have to pull the ground back some to find some of them, because as the shovel plow goes through, sometimes they do get a little covered, but it's nothing like trying to dig them out with a shovel. So we're just laying these out in the middle of the rows. We're trying to get any of the wet dirt off of them, but they are very tender, this flesh is, because they're new, so you can accidentally scrape the skins off of them, which is not what we want to do. So you can see there's a little pile of them here. We're getting more up there. Now we will take the shovel plow back through numerous times to make sure that we're getting all the potatoes out. So this is some of the potato harvest here, and that's a pretty deep bucket there. And then I'll show you more of the harvest that we got out of the hollow garden for the potatoes. Now we did take all of the potatoes out, so I'll show you the rest of them here. Hold on a moment. And I did want to show you these right here. These are pretty big potatoes here. Over here, and here. So today is August the 10th, 2019, and we harvested all of the potatoes out of this bin here, and I'll show you what we got out of it. And we refluffed the soil back up because the tractor had it compacted down from digging up the potatoes. So this was the rest of the harvest for the potatoes that were out of that bin. Now we did already take some potatoes out earlier. I did a video on that, and we have some more over in another bucket over here. Hold on a moment. And here's some more. Now we were taking potatoes out of it as soon as they were coming on, because we like to eat our fresh potatoes. So I want to show you the potato harvest here. Now we do have these covered because the sun will make the potatoes turn green even though they're inside and light even from inside. So I want to just show you here what we got. And we've been eating a lot of potatoes, so we've already eaten a lot of these. Just put this back here. And we do still have a little potato patch still in the one other garden. You can see here's some more here, and there's more in here, more in this box here, and then there's more over in this box here. We got some really nice potatoes out this year, and have some more over further that I'll show you. Just hold on a moment. We do have more over here. Now these need to be put in a box and covered. And we have more in this box over here. And we have more over here. And the last box is over here. And we try and use the ones that got cut or sliced first, so that they don't go bad on us. Now these here, they did callus over, so but we are using these first. So I'm sorry I didn't get to show you the whole video of all of the harvest being harvested out, but it started raining on us, and it seemed like every time we went down there it would just start raining on us, whether it was supposed to be raining or not. So overall, we're very pleased with our 2019 potato harvest here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. Otherwise I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.